To land this bird. We're gonna have to land this bird. We're gonna have to land it. We're gonna have to land it. Oh! Come on! And there you go. We had a critical landing. We gotta go find the bird. Look here, people. See me looking at me? There we go. We found it. Look at it. Got a scratch up. Y'all make some nice high quality drones. Well, here's another one from your boy, the Drone Dreamer. I hope y'all enjoy it. We found it. Nothing's wrong with it. Until the next episode, people. Peace.